Hello there. I'm going to draw a cute little character called the Lumalee from the Mario Brothers movie. And I really like that particular character because, I don't know, it's just so cute. It's just this cute little blue character that in a perilous situation, it was just so gleeful and so cheery and subjective. Some people might think it was kind of creepy, but I watched a video of the creators of the movie and the character, and they said they just thought it was cute that they were in this cage and they were captured, and he was just like, there's no hope, and he was saying kind of gloomy things of the facts of the situation. It's such a cute little voice, and he was just so happy, and it was just like, what is wrong with you? How can you be so happy when you're in such a perilous situation? Personally, me, I think it kind of reminds me of those in the Bible time when they were captured in the prison and they were just in there praising and singing, and that just makes me wonder what the guards thought. Anyways, and the walls came down and they were released. Anywho, it's just such a cute little character. And anyways, if you haven't seen the movie, go check it out. So basically you're going to start with almost oval shaped eyes here, like such. I'm not going to say this is perfect in any way whatsoever. And then you have this, I kind of go put this side right here, this side right here. And it's just kind of give me the guidance of where I put the next parts. And then right under here, he's got this cheerful little smile. Doesn't have to be perfect. And then right a little bit below that, center of the mouth, is just going to be this little line here. And that's going to be, there's legs are going to be here. And then up here, just kind of put a point right, kind of even with the inside of his eye there, is where his two little tufts on top will go. Kind of the same over here. Okay. And so I'm going to start up here. He's got his little short tuft. It kind of goes to the side like so. And then this part is going to go down here. And then I'm going to have this right here. It goes up. And the top arch, kind of even with that. It's just a reference coming down. And then it goes down to the side. Doesn't have to be perfect. And then here's his little sort of triangle legs down here. And they're actually a little bit more rounded at the bottom. You can perfect it after you get the basic shape down. And he has some arms right here on the side. And again, kind of rounded at the top. And go ahead and erase that. Kind of, in a way, reminds me sort of the Kool-Aid character. And then, of course, his eyes. You can shade those in, just to basically be dark. I'm just using a number 2 pencil. I'm going to show at the end of this video, if you're interested, I have some very vintage, actually antique drawing pencils. I just thought they're cool. I just don't have the heart to actually use them because they're antiques. And they're very nice, good quality. It's got the old metal tin from like the 50s and in perfect condition. Thought I would share them if you're an artist and you're interested in stuff like that. And then I'll do the shading in a different video. But anyways, that's your little Lumalee. Okay, so let me show you. I will color this in another video. This is my drawing box. This is the Mars. This is actually metal. And they are unused. The Stapler Mars Pencil Works trademark since 1662. Looky, looky. In perfect condition. Anyways, so there's that one. I love those old tins. It's just nostalgic, if anything. Okay, and then here's some more antique with this vintage box. How nice is that, right? For extra fine point strength, Eagle Pencil Company. Chemi-sealed super bonded turquoise drawing pencils, smoother leads. The correct content of rare lubricating waxes is permanently retained in the leads by an impervious coating deposited on them in the super bonding process. Yeah, there's those. Then there's your Viking Pencil Works. Copenhagen, Denmark. Then you have the Circle Quality Paramount Drawing Pencils. Quality standard for commercial and technical use. All in use. So there's that. And let me know in the comments if this video was in any way helpful to you. I appreciate a like. Consider subscribing if you're not already. In the meantime, I hope you have a blessed day. Stay tuned for more how-to drawing videos, and I'll do some shading on this one later. Bye!